Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching Mining Express. Here's the first of the videos. This is the solar panel for continuous charging, as you can see. This is Eufy security by Anker. Anker is a Chinese company and they manufacture electronic products, lots of electronic products, and they're quite famous, and they have one of those best customer services. They would normally replace your faulty products. So I have had lots of these products that I've looked at, power banks and other things. They are immaculate. They're class products. I've never had much problem with Anker. Some of the ones I've looked at on the internet, I've seen some customer complaints, but they are literally bare minimum. They are one of the big companies that manufacture lots of electronic goods, and yeah, they're there. They're one of the famous ones. Anyway, so they manufacture cameras for Eufy, or this is just a Eufy brand, the Eufy division within Anker, and you must have used the Eufy door cam. You've got home base, which basically allows you to store in SD, not SSD, SD. Doesn't let you go to cloud, but obviously you've got options to use the cloud for storage. But obviously you can also store locally, which which allows you to not pay anything extra for storing the footage. Anyway, so this is the solar panel, and as you can see, it does obviously connect to your cameras and provides solar power to charge your batteries if they are chargeable cameras. If they're not chargeable cameras, you can connect to the camera to provide its continuous power. Obviously, in the night there's no sunlight, which means obviously you need cameras with batteries. But yeah, this is what it is. You could obviously charge your phone if you wanted. You could swap the cable, just get the other cable connected in, which would charge your phone, power banks, and whatever else. But this is what it is. As you can see, nothing much on either side of the box. Privacy and things. Solar panel for continuous charging, easy setup by Anker. Not much else mentioned. There's obviously serial number and other things mentioned here. Compatible with Cam 1 2 Pro, 2C2 Pro, and 2C Pro, and Eufy Cam E. That's the compatibility. Obviously, you can also use your other cameras that are not Eufy. You could obviously use those as well. No one's stopping you. Yeah, that's it. Right, so what do we have in the box? Let's have a look. I've not unboxed any of these cameras before, so this is new for me as well. Normally all of the unboxing videos are new for me. Right, so up top you get the solar panel itself. This is the solar panel, and as you can see, there are these little boxes in there. There are the different levels and panels that you have. Fairly long cable, and it ends with a micro USB. So your camera obviously has to be a micro USB port to charge or recharge. Not too heavy, but it's fairly protected in the frame, so it's not going to go anywhere. And the cable is probably 4 meters. I think I've had a look at the box. 4 meters. What else do we get in the box? Monthly subscription plans if you wanted, and other things. Safety, attention, attention. Okay. User manual, solar panel for Eufy cams, and just a generic safety. Information guide. Or yeah, okay. Otherwise, there's also a clip to hold. There's a mounting bracket with some screws as well, I think here. Yeah, yeah. This is the Cam 2C Pro connector, Cam E connector, 2C Pro, Eufy Cam Solo. Eufy Cam Solo. Okay, so you can obviously use Solo as well. And there's obviously screws and the mounting kit and stuff like that. And this is the one that goes on the wall, and obviously you have to drill 3 holes to get it held on. This is metal. I thought there was plastic, it's metal. Good. And yeah, that's really all that we have. Isn't much to talk about. If you were to look at this basically is used to screw the panel up onto the. I have to sort of see how it works really. I think it does. It would work like that. I think it does. Yeah, that's it. It's a normal screw, and all you need to do is turn. So you can, well, what this really means is that you can take this out if you need it. So this goes onto the wall, but if you needed to like twist, bend, get the right angle where you've realized there's sun in a separate direction or a different direction, and it's not really getting enough sun, you can obviously bend and twist to your liking, which is great. It's there. Obviously I think this goes on like this, so you can get that the additional space to maneuver. But yeah, okay, so that's really all that we have here. Solar panel here for you. And that's pretty much it. It's quick unboxing. I need to install this and probably share another video of how it's been installed and probably provide a further feedback of how it works, or worked for me, or did not work for me, whatever else. But yeah, stay tuned for that. If you've got any questions or queries in the meantime, do feel free to share with them, with me on YouTube, of course, in comments, and I'll be responding to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to My Next Best. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next best. Here's the solar panel. Cheers, bye bye.